What's up, everyone? It's me, Vincent, back here with another food challenge. If y'all haven't seen the first food challenge, go ahead, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified on our latest uploads. Otherwise, let's get started. So, the main ingredient for this week is eggs. A common misconception around eggs is that it raises your cholesterol levels, specifically the yolks. Well, that may be true, but most of the nutrients and at least half of the proteins of a whole egg are contained in the yolks. So you'll be missing out on those nutrients if you just opt out for egg whites. Also, not all cholesterol goes into your bloodstream. According to Harvard Health Publishing, for most people, only a small amount of cholesterol in food actually goes into your blood. It's saturated and trans fat that has the biggest effect on your blood cholesterol levels. So if you're keeping your consumption of trans fat and saturated fat at a low level intake, it shouldn't be a problem to be consuming a couple eggs. Alright, enough talk about nutrition, let's get cracking. I got my friend Left Daddy, and let's check out what he got cooking in the kitchen.
Hey everyone, my name is Lefleti Lefteriadis and I am part of the WeFit Club, and today we're going to be doing egg and avocado breakfast. So what you're first going to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Make sure you wash your hands before you start cooking. So you're going to want to cut your avocado in half like I pre-did here. Take the seed out and place it in your discard bowl. Put the avocados down. And then you're going to want to crack the egg and crack it inside of the avocado. And then what you want to do is drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the egg. And now you're going to want to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now you're just going to want to place the avocados with the eggs inside, and you're going to want to bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. So it's about 20 to 30 minutes right now, and you can tell how it turns golden brown. You can see when it's ready. So you can use this recipe to make 2-4 avocados, as much for your family. And oh, look at that. It looks so good. And so, yeah, you guys, there it is. Bon appetit. Enjoy.
Wow, I never seen eggs cooked that way. Do you guys have any tricks up your sleeves? If so, post it on your social media and tag us at wefit.pacific so we can see what kind of culinary tricks you guys pull up with eggs. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys later.